Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the watch list by Magenta Trade once again. Today is Monday, the 9th of May, and we are back with our regular YouTube live program, The Watch List. At the Magenta Trade, we teach you how to grow your portfolio using option trading strategies. We explain in simple terms how you can participate in the world-leading companies with a fraction of the amount that you would need as a normal investment. In the vast ocean of stock market, there are plenty of opportunities to gain from the movement of share prices every day. However, market is unpredictable, volatile, and sometimes complex to understand. In order to be successful, you need a disciplined, rule-based approach developed over a longer period of time with experience in the market and focused on building a long-term portfolio to protect your hard-earned money. But first, let's have a look at our disclosures, and let me share my screen quickly. Apologies for that, just a little bit time. Okay, hopefully you are able to see my screen now. So the information provided by Magenta Trade is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not investment advisors, and you should consult a financial advisor before making any investments. Option trading involves exceptional gains, but at the same time, they pose inherent risks. Past results are no guarantee of future gains. We are not finance professionals, and we are not aware of your personal financial circumstances. For more disclosures, you can visit our website, www.magentatrade.com. Quickly, a few words about me. I have been actively trading in stocks, ETFs, futures, options, warrants, CFDs, and currencies for more than 15 years. I have turned my personal trading experience into professional coaching, and recently we have formed the company Magenta Trade to share with you my strategy of success in trading using simple terms and techniques. My favorite areas of coaching are trade management and money management. I've experienced immense potential of trading options based on stocks and ETFs, and I help you understand how they might help you build a steady and reliable retirement income stream. As a coach, I focus on a daily routine, follow simple rule-based strategy, use simple tools to enter and exit the trades, and manage your positions in 15 to 20 minutes every day. At Magenta Trade, we base our strategies on the 3 dimensions of investment: long-term capital growth, building a retirement portfolio over a longer period of time, generating regular income using stocks and options trading strategies, and ensuring your capital is adequately protected against severe market downturns so that your hard-earned money is not wasted in adventure. Now let's look at some of the recent trades that we closed. SPX, we got a gain of 15.5% in 5 days. Then we got a gain of a workday of 8% in 10 days. And then another SPX trade reaping 14.65% in 3 days. Apple, we got a gain of 13.25% in 6 days. Microsoft gain 10.8% in 6 days. Of course, past results are no guarantee of the future. So we always take that disclosure. You should be confident of why you are investing. And that's one of the secrets of trading. Using specific criteria of entry and exit, following effective proven strategies to grow your portfolio, and safeguarding your capital from the massive volatility in the market. You should always look for opportunities in the market, whether the stocks are going up, down, or sideways. And that's the beauty of options trading. Our strategies should consider all scenarios that market presents to us to explore new opportunities every day. At Magenta Trade, we teach you how to follow the simple steps to explore and invest in stocks and options, following clearly defined rules to trade management, entry, and exit. Practice the simple steps, use the available tools and resources, follow the rules so that the process becomes mechanical and efficient. Investment is a process of consistently applying the techniques that we teach on a regular basis and aim for success with perseverance and analysis. Even when the odds are against, you need to follow the rules to protect yourself and maintain discipline to attain long-term results. The most important part is the education. Continuously educate yourselves about the market, about the strategies, about the rules that you should follow, and how to read the market. So our options masterclass program help you to reach those goals. In our options masterclass program, we teach you the fundamentals of options trading, factors determining the pricing of options, how the options help you make significant gains using small investments, and how you can protect your traditional investment in stocks. Also, we teach you how to make regular incomes in your portfolio so that you can have a regular cash flow in your account on a regular basis. We follow a step-by-step approach for entry and exit in different market conditions to explore trading opportunities. Our rule-based strategies help you to find profitable trades using simple tools and techniques. We teach you how to manage your trades on a daily basis based on developing market conditions. In order to handhold you in this learning curve during the program, we help you with live trading sessions where we make real life trading and show you the positions that we are trading. For more information on our courses and learning material, please visit our website www.magentatrade.com. In this watchlist program, we navigate through the market, discuss about the earnings, major announcements and market developments, and we browse through some of the stocks that we keep adding in our watch list. Okay, so let's get started with what's happening in the market. But first, a couple of earnings reports that we would like to discuss with you today. And first one is Palantir. Palantir Technologies reported first quarter March 2022 earnings of 2 cents per share, earnings per share, but on a revenue of $446 million. It's a significant jump in their revenue on a year-on-year basis of 31% and much higher than what was expected in the market. The company said it expects a second quarter revenue of approximately $470 million, and currently the expectation was probably about $484 million. As a result, because of this lower expectation than the market, what they were anticipating, the stock is currently down by more than 17%, I guess. Let me quickly have a look. I'll come back to that. Stock is currently down by 22%. Okay, let's go back to our presentation quickly. Okay, so the commercial revenue grew 54% year on year. US commercial revenue grew 136%. So that's a significant jump. Government revenue grew 16%. Customer count grew 86% year on year. So overall, it's a very good result, but maybe a little bit less than what market expected, especially in terms of the forecast of the revenue. Loss from operations, $39 million. And that's obviously a capital cost recovering phase. Adjusted income from operations, $17 million, representing a margin of 26%. Cash from operations, $35 million. Okay, some other numbers. For full year 2022, the company is expecting adjusted operating margin of 27% and annual revenue growth 30% or greater through 2025. Another company announced the earnings today, Viatris, VTRS, first quarter March 22, earnings of 93 cents per share on revenue of $4.2 billion. The estimate was probably 81 cents, so it's better than expectation. However, the revenue fell 5.4% compared to the same quarter ago. The company said it continues to expect 2022 revenue of $17 billion to $17.5 billion. It's much in line with the expectation. of the market. Total revenues were $4.19 billion. US GAAP net earnings were $399 million. Million dollars. So total revenue were $4.19 billion. Sorry. Free cash flow was $1.07 billion. They also announced a quarterly dividend of 12 cents. Some other numbers in terms of total net sales. The quarter-on-quarter change is 5%. 5% down. Okay. Some other numbers, pays down approximately $840 million of debt, on track for 2022 target of approximately $2 billion. So that is the significant achievement, I would say. Okay, so let's go to the market. What's happening right now? S&P 500 is currently down by 2.8%, and it has fallen below our major support level that we indicated earlier. That has been holding for a last few days, almost 5 trading sessions, and this support level was being held, but now that support level has been broken to 4062 was our support level. Now the index is at 4004, down by 2.8%, as you can see here. And if we go back, it is almost at the level of it has broken the level of May 21. So it has broken the 1 years of worth of movement, and it has gone to the level of May 21, 2021. Currently, it's trading at the or below the level of, you can say, April 21, 5th of April 21. It has gone below that level. So that's a significant, more than 13 months. In terms of NASDAQ, it's down by 4% almost. And again, NASDAQ also goes back to the level of trading at November 2020. So that's almost 18 months. It's almost gone back to 18 months, November 2020. NASDAQ currently trading at, currently at 11,658, which is down by more than 4% now. And it also reflected in some of the stocks. Dow is also down by 480 points, and it has gone back to the level of almost, again, March 2021. So that's 14 months, 13, 14 months. Let's look at individual stocks. Amazon, I was just going through that quickly. Okay, let's go back to Amazon here. Amazon has actually gone back to the level of April 2020. So that's 2 years back. Currently, it's down by 4.3% today. And the whole movement or the gains of last 2 years have been wiped out now. Not sure that's one of my major support levels here. So is there any more room to further go down? Not sure at this level, but let's see. This is one of the support levels I have for Amazon here, and probably it would be interesting to see whether it's broken today. So the support level is 2194, and it's currently at 2194 as well. Okay, let's quickly browse through other stocks. AAP, there's Advanced Auto Parts. It's almost flat. Apple down by 2.9%. I'm just keeping it a bit longer today, this price line, so that we can see how far it has gone back today. Some of them are really shocking, I would say. Accenture has gone back to the level of June 21, so it's almost a year. Analog devices is down by 1.75%. Akamai Technologies is actually up today by 1.13%. I think they also announced the results on 3rd of May. Applied Materials are down by 5.4%, and it has gone back to the level of March 2021, which is 14 months now. Umbrella is down by 10.8%, and they have gone to the level of, my goodness, November 2020, which is 18 months. Gone back to the level of 18 months. AMD, one of my favorite stocks, Advanced Micro Devices, it has gone back to the level of July 21, which is less than a year, but still significantly down from the high of 164 at one time. Like, its all-time high was 164. Amazon, we already discussed. Arista Network is down by 7% today, and it has gone back to the level of, again, November 21, which is 6 months. APD is more or less a flat today. Air Products, Aplovin, down by 8% today. I think it has gone back to the level where it was listed. Is much below, the trading much below than that currently. Digital Turbine down by 10% today, and it has gone back to the level of October 2020, 18 months. ATVI down by 1.64%. We discussed about the ATVI in detail in one of our previous videos, so you can refer it to there. AVTR, it's almost approaching the, actually it has gone back to the level of April 21, so more than 13 months. Amex is down by 2.8% today. Bank of America is down by 2.16%, and currently it's trading at the level of July 21 again. Best Buy, more or less flat, I would say, down by 0.2%. Bumble is down by another 10% today. Berkshire is down by 1.2%. Blackstone is down by 3.98%. Citigroup down by 2.7%. Chegg is down by, Citigroup actually is trading at, Chegg down by 4.7%. And it has gone back to the level of almost 2018, February 2018, 4 years. Chegg has gone back to the level of 4 years back. It has wiped up more than 80% of its capital. The 52-week or all-time high was at around 106 or so. Charter Communication is up today by 1%. Their earnings were on 29th of April, right? Chivi is down by 2.23%. Again, it has gone back to the level of March 2020. So that's 2 years, March 2020. Comcast is more or less flat today. That's also trading at the level of July 2020. Salesforce is down by 3.6%, and currently it's trading at the level of May 2020. That's 2 years once again. So that's really, really shocking, I would say. The whole gains during the COVID has been wiped off now. Crocs is down by another 9%. November 2020 level, 18 months. Corteva is down by another 3.5%, 3.7%. DuPont is more or less flat. DuPont touched the low of December 20 or November 2020. 18 months once again. Dell is trading at the level of April 21, so more than a year. DHI more or less flat today, trading at 70.20. Disney is down by 2.28%. It has gone back to the level of June 2020, almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. In terms of support level, probably that's the support level we could say. It was a major support level there. Let me quickly check if we draw it here. 108 and currently it's 107. More or less at that level, and that's a major support level, I would say. Definitely a major support level. Let's see whether they recover from here, they bounce back from here, or maybe there could be a further. When is the earnings? Earnings is on 11th of May. Okay, we'll have a look on that. DocuSign is down by almost 7%, and it has gone back to the level of March 2020. Gained 2 years worth of gains have been wiped off. Domino's 334 down by 2%. That's gone back to the level of March 21, which is more than a year. ECL is more or less flat. Eastman Chemical down by 1%. Enphase is down by 10% point today. EPAM Systems down by 7%. HC is up by 2% today. Okay. There are some other news probably we could discuss quickly. Rivian. Let's have a look at Rivian. What's happening? Rivian Automotive is down by 18% today. When is their earnings? Their earnings is on 11th of May. But there is a news that Ford will sell 8 million shares in the company out of their 102 million shares currently held in Rivian. So that's the news about Rivian. Let's have a quick look at Uber. There's a news of Uber that they are probably restraining from hiring new resources. Currently, the stock is down by almost 10%. And they said, the CEO said that the new hiring would be a privilege. And also they are exploring different, cutting down on different marketing spend and the incentive spend overall, so that they can manage with a rising cost and other operational losses. So Uber has now gone back to the level of March 2020. Again, more than 24 months. Let's look at another share, Coty. Coty is down by almost 6%. Even though their earnings were actually positive, they reported 3 cents per share, and the revenue is up by 2.8% to $1.18 billion. But still, the stock has been hammered. Let's quickly look at Tyson Foods. Tyson Foods is up by 1.8%, and they had a positive earnings, I guess. Their earnings per share is 2.29 per share against the expectation of 1.89, and it's up by 21%. The revenue is up by 2.12% to $13.11 billion. Also, they raised fiscal 2022 sales guidance there. Okay, another stock, let's quickly, BioNTech. BNTX. The share is currently trading at up by 3.08%. Let's see, when is their earnings? Yes, this morning, earnings are up by 55%. Earnings per share is $15.76. Revenue is up by 47% to $7.05 billion, and that's against the expectations. Fantastic results for BioNTech, and they are just up by 3%, whereas they should be much more. And it's again, at the almost at the very bottom of their price chart, in comparison to their high of $464 earlier in the year, and currently it's trading at $121, down by more than 50%. Twitter, let's have a look at what's happening in Twitter. Twitter is down by another 3%, and again, Elon Musk is on news as always. Okay, Dish Network is down by 1.2% today. I think there is some profit downgrade. And also their earnings fell. So their earnings was on 7th or 6th. On 6th, the earnings was lower by 7% in terms of expectations. And in terms of revenue, it's down by 1.18% to $4.33 billion. Okay, so that's Dish, and the stock is down by 1% now, and it has gone back to the level of almost April 2020. Okay, quickly some other Match Group. It's down by 2.5%, and it has gone back to the level of May 2020. Okay. Yeah, so that's news of the fight with Apple. That's probably what's driving it now. Okay, Virgin Galactic. Stock is down by 8%, and it has gone back to the level of December 2019, more than 2.5 years. Pre-COVID, entirely pre-COVID. It was listed at around $10. It's much below the listing as well. Okay, currently trading at 6.24. Some other stocks in our watch list. Let's go back to that list. I think we were at Etsy, which is up by 2.5%. EXP World Holdings down by 9%. And again, it has gone back to the level of August 2020. Facebook is down by 2.2%. FMC Corporation is down by 3.4%. Fortinet, the gaming platform, is down by 7.3%. And it has gone back to the level of July 21. GoodRx Holdings down by 15% today. Was their earnings today? No, later today. The earnings are later today, but already it's down by 15% now. Google is down by 1.8%, and it's probably going to the level of May 21. Trading at that. It was there earlier as well in the last few days. IBM is down by 1.8%. That's more of a zigzag for IBM. That's been quite volatile there. Okay. JP Morgan is down by 0.6%. MasterCard is down by almost 5% there, 4.8%. McDonald's is down by 0.6%. Morgan Stanley is down by 2.6%. Micron is down by 2.46%. NVIDIA is down by 8%, and it has gone back to the level of May 21. That's before the split. The split was in June, I guess, during that period. Oracle down by almost a percentage point. Pinterest is down by 5%. Okay. Let's just look at the major ones. STA down by almost 10%. Teladoc is down by another 6.8%. My goodness. It has gone back to the level of February 18. February 18. 4 years. 4 years back. Tesla is down by another 7.2%. So it's testing the level of 800 today. Let's see how far does it go below. Take-Two is down by 6.6%, and it has gone back to the level of March 2020. That's 2 years. A number of NASDAQ stocks are actually trading at the level of 2 years back. July 2020 Twitter, we already discussed. Visa is down by 3.9%. Upstart is down by 6.9%. Okay. Vicor is down by 4.3% today. Workday is down by another 5.8%. That's been a long time, August 2020. This earnings, earnings we already had. Finally, Vertiv is down by another 7 percentage point. So in terms of long-term opportunities, obviously the stocks are at real bottom, and the NASDAQ stocks are almost gone back by 2 percentage points. In terms of even the index, let's see where the index is. The index has also gone back to the level of November 2020. So that's where it's trading now, NASDAQ, November 2020, 1.5 years back. 1.5 years back. Interesting. Let's see whether, I think there was a news that someone was predicting the level of around 10,000 there, which is obviously a bit far away. But considering the situation, It's not really that far. And once this support level that has been broken, the next support level I do see is at here. The major support level is at 9832, which is below 10,000 actually. Let's see whether market can hold on to some of that this level prior to 10,000, whether they can hold the level of 11,200 or maybe 10,800, so to say. Let's see, another 2,000 points for NASDAQ. Dow is currently down by just 1%. But then again, their support level is also approaching here. They have broken the previous levels. So let's remove these ones and draw a new support level. So the new support level probably I would like to draw is at here. Maybe 32,000, you can say. Maybe let's say somewhere between this 32,200 to 32,000. Let's see where it goes to, and that would be interesting. VIX is actually up by 11% today. Earlier it was much higher than that, almost 15 or 18%. Gold is down by 1.5%, silver is down by 2.3%, and oil is down by 6.8% as well. Okay, by the way, Bitcoin is currently trading at $30,900, which is down by 8.99%. And Ethereum is down by 9% again, and it's trading at 2,293 against US dollars. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks a lot for joining our watch list program, and keep your comments coming, and send me if you have any questions, if you would like to see any particular segment within this watch list program. I would add probably some more new segments this week or later this week, and there would be a major announcement coming later this week as well. So keep watching, keep looking at our social media network posts, and you can follow us in Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Also, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.